had this hair in since before I went on my cruise, which was last month on like the 16th. So I have had this hair in almost 2 months.
I'm outside in a damn cheese. Right outside.
First things first, we're gonna take out my hair. We do have to go to the gym today. I am working from home today. No, because I'm taking out the back, so when I put my hair in a ponytail.
Started their new unit, took notes.
Okay, so I did not get that many braids taken out. So as you can see, this is this much. And I got this much on that side. I think maybe I took out like 5, 7, maybe like 7 or 8 braids. But y'all, this junk is gonna take me so long to finish. It's not even funny. But my husband is on his way. He is 25 minutes from the gym. It's gonna take me 20 minutes to get to the gym. It's time to get.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large.
Okay, so we're fully dressed from the head to the toe. I'll let you see the full fit like when I get to the gym. But I did get some new shoes, guys. I'm so excited. I've been wanting some shoes, some workout shoes for so long. I bought my Hokas last year. I've had them for a year. And like the bottom part of them are starting to come off. So give me some recommendations if you have Hokas and like has this happened to you. Let's get into the unboxing of my shoes. I'm so excited. Here's my package. I'm really excited. Let's open it. I really have to hurry up, y'all. He's gonna probably be waiting on me for like a little minute because I want to wear my new shoes today. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. I haven't ordered, I literally haven't got new shoes in a year. Like tennis shoes. Okay. Got my shoes. I'm so excited, y'all. I've been wanting some new workout shoes for so freaking long. Like, oh my gosh. So nice. I hope they fit really well. I got a size 10 and these are the Nike Free Metcon 4s, I think, not the 5s. I'm so excited. Y'all, these feel so good. They feel like a freaking glove. Like, and they're definitely keeping me like on the ground. Like, you know how you're supposed to be flat when you're lifting? Oh my gosh. They feel so good. Like, I'm so excited. Okay, just got to the gym. Period. Clock it. And I'll be back. Forgot, I got some water too. Can't forget the waters. I am back from the gym. Y'all, I am exhausted. I don't know if y'all can really tell, but your girl is sweating. I was in there sweating. So today we did leg day. I did the leg press, leg extensions, hip thrust, leg curls, and then I also did the Stairmaster for 20 minutes. Y'all, I am at level 7. Not consistently, not like 20 minutes level 7, but I can do level 7 for like 2 minutes. That's progress. Do you know how hard level 7 is? I'm sure you do if you go to the gym. But it's just so crazy because when I first started working out, I could barely do level 1. And now consistently, not consistently, but like for 5 minutes straight now, I can do level 6. So we are getting there. We're building. But I'm just so proud of myself. And all I have to say is if you're somebody that is getting into fitness, getting into the gym, you're overwhelmed by the thought of it. You don't know nothing. Like you're never going to get stronger. You're comparing yourself to other people you see in the gym or the TikTok girlies. Listen to me, babes. In the gym, in anything in life, it's you versus you. But in the gym, just remember it's you versus you. It's you just tapping into your own strength. Yes, right now you may be weak. But let me tell you, in 6 months, you're going to be a brand new bitch. I swear to you. I swear to you. So I just was surprised at myself that I could hit level 7, level 6. And I was just like, wow, look how far I've come. So that's my little gym motivation tip for y'all. I'm about to go home because I need to shower and finish taking out my hair. So let's go.
Good morning. Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Good morning. Can I do a venti hot caramel macchiato with oat milk?
Oat milk, you got it.
And then can I do blonde shots and can I add an extra shot to that?
You can do blonde and add a shot, okay?
And that'll be it.
So today,
Yes.
all right, 8:45.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Thank you, you too. We got the goods. Okay, first, taste test. Because someone's backing up, so I can't even go right now. It brought a tear to my eye. It tastes so good. Oh my gosh. I'm really getting annoyed, y'all, because my glasses are making like these deep ass indentations on my face. It's so aggravating. Do y'all have this problem? And if you do, okay. Do y'all have this problem? And if you do, what do you do? All right, now that we got that done, I think honestly, y'all, I'm gonna just go get a protein smoothie from Smoothie King and call it a day. And then we'll just eat a full meal when we get home. Okay, let's see. I'm probably gonna get the Hulk.
Anything I can get you for today?
1 second.
Alright, take your time.
I'm off. I'm so happy I'm off work, y'all. Let's go home. Okay, so change of plans. We're actually going to Best Buy because there's something that I ordered, like, when did I order this? I ordered it, I think, last Wednesday or the Wednesday before, and I went there last week and it wasn't ready. So it's ready now, and it's something I really have been needing to replace because I lost the last ones of these. So let's go. Let me show y'all what I got from the store. Yeah, because literally that's my third pair. I bought a pair, lost those. My husband got me a pair from somebody that, like, I don't know, they didn't need them or something like that. So then I got an extra free pair, lost those, and now these are my third pair. No, I didn't get the new ones. No, I didn't get the sound canceling ones. Y'all, I can't even keep up with the originals. Okay, so I got the second generation ones because I don't feel like I really need anything other than that. Although I do like the noise canceling ones, but I just didn't want to spend $180, and these were on sale for $80 because I guess the 4th or 5th generation ones just came out. The point is, I needed AirPods so that I could go to Starbucks or go anywhere and just edit. Yes, noise cancellation would be nice, but I think, like, maybe down the line I might get the over-the-ear ones just for myself as a gift when I hit, like, 1K subscribers on here. But yeah, so I'm really, really excited. I've been needing some freaking AirPods, especially for working out. Like, what the fuck, I was borrowing my husband's, but at the end of the day, like, I want my own stuff. So I'm gonna get a really cute case off of Shein and everything so that I can keep up with my stuff. But I'm so excited. Check me out, check me out. We got some new workout shoes. We got the AirPods so that we can work out in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up, do a little unboxing. I know people like to hear stuff. Little ASMR moment. Obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy that I got these, y'all. Like, y'all don't even understand. I've been wanting some AirPods for so long. But you know how, like, you prolong getting something because it's like, it's not a need, it's a want. But, like, it became a need just because. I just want my own shit. Period. Get into it. No, it's not the newest one. It's not. And it doesn't need to be. And that's another thing too, y'all. When you buy things for yourself, you don't always have to get like the newest thing, you know. Really glad it comes with a charger. Period. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm kind of like not doing it aesthetically pleasing. I could cry. And it's so cute. You can put emojis on it too.
Back to the fact that they dance on my raps on the facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big snacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, lead the way. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in the game. TT, 2-turn, baby.